Create a wide variety of sewing projects with Singer's heavy-duty sewing machine. At 1,100 stitches per minute, this machine sews faster than standard sewing machines. The heavy-duty motor allows this machine to sew through heavyweight fabrics with ease. From silk to cotton to denim, the Singer heavy-duty sewing machine can handle it all. Fabrics effortlessly slide across the machine arm with the built-in stainless steel metal plate. Singer's signature heavy-duty aluminum frame means the internal rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. After easily threading the machine, you'll be ready to sew in no time with the automatic needle threader. And when you're ready to sew a buttonhole, just insert a button into the foot and away you go with the fully automatic one-step buttonhole. Attach buttons in just seconds with the button sewing foot. With nearly 24 basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, this machine is perfect for home dec, crafts, fashion sewing, and more.
Introducing the Designio DZ2400 computerized sewing and quilting machine, one of 6 machines in the new Designio series from Brother, designed for the designer in you. With 185 built-in stitches, including 55 alphanumeric stitches, the DZ2400 is built to expand your sewing and quilting horizons. The DZ2400 comes with free phone and online technical support, plus a 25-year limited parts warranty, and it's ROHS compliant. The DZ2400 includes 12 sewing and quilting feet and full set of designer accessories, including an extra-wide table that makes your total workspace 33% larger. You'll love reliable, easy threading of both top thread and bobbin for consistent, high-quality stitch formation. See how easy it is to create professional, stylish buttonholes. 8 styles of one-step buttonholes automatically sized to fit your specific buttons for a true designer finish. The DZ2400 is a great machine that will bring out the extra talent you have always wanted to explore.
Hey, so today we're going to be doing a review of this machine. It's called the Yuton UEA001. It looks like the kind of machine that you could use if you're a student or if you don't have a lot of space at home. It's really compact, I think. So I'm going to start opening it. So this is the box, and as you can see here, it comes with some little accessories. It comes with a manual. The manual is in English. Here it is. So you can find any information that you need in it. And this is the machine. So as I said earlier, it comes with little accessories like threads and a needle and bobbins. This is the pedal, and this is the AC adapter. And here, the little machine. It's very compact, very cute. So I'm gonna take it out. As you can see, it's really small, and yeah, it's a perfect size. This is the AC adapter. I'm gonna show you where it goes, right here. And this is the pedal, and you can plug it right next to the AC adapter, right there. You can install the thread spools here, and the thread should go here. This is used to spin the thread onto the bobbins, and this is for the tension. Here you can choose different patterns, and this is the reverse sewing option. This is either to turn off or to speed the machine. Now I'm lifting the foot to show you how to cut a thread. So on the side you have a thread cutter, and you just go through with the thread and pull. This is where the bobbins go, under this plastic lid. So let's start, let's try it. This is the AC plug. First plug this, and then you can plug the pedal. So now we're going to use this thread, and we're going to go through the first winder. You can see little instructive drawings on the machine. Just follow the steps. At step number 3, you need to turn the hand wheel like I'm doing here. To access this hole, just go through with the thread and turn it back down. Now you can put the thread through the needle, and we're gonna cut this first, and then we can start sewing something. First, place the fabric under the foot and turn the foot down, and then turn this wheel to choose which pattern you'd like to try. Here I'm doing the number 1. Just press on the pedal, and don't forget to turn the hand wheel before you take out the fabric, because the needle will still be in the fabric otherwise. And this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna try number 11. Make sure to turn the wheel to the right number, put the foot down and press the pedal. Cut your thread, and this is how it looks like.
Looking to explore fashion and creative sewing? Introducing the Brother Project Runway XR9550 PRW, the computerized sewing and quilting machine. Showcase your talents with its beautiful built-in stitches, including decorative stitches, buttonhole stitches, and 55 alphanumeric stitches. View and adjust your stitches on the large backlit LCD display. Plus, so many versatile feet means so many creative sewing options. Blind hems, overcast seams, zippers, buttonholes, and buttons, monogramming, straight stitches, and even free motion sewing. Get more freedom with an expansive workspace and features that make sewing fun and easy, like an advanced needle threading system, quick set drop-in top bobbin, and thread tension control. Take your creative sewing to the next level with the Brother Project Runway XR9550 PRW computerized sewing and quilting machine.
Hi, I'm Angela Wolf, and I'm excited to tell you all about the PQ1500 SL sewing machine by Brother. This was my first Brother machine, and I still love it. The PQ1500 SL is an amazing machine that belongs in the sewing room of every serious quilter and seamstress. It's a high-speed, straight stitching machine sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute. Up to 1,500 stitches, that's fast. What comes in the box? You'll find 7 different presser feet, plus all these accessories and tools: feed pin, fabric separator, needles, bobbins, a foot controller, knee lift, and cover. The large workspace is great for big projects, and the heavy-duty construction sets this machine apart from the rest. Adding the included wide table enables you to further expand your work area. You get 7 presser feet with this machine. Included are the zipper foot and invisible zipper foot for zipper insertions, rolled hem foot for rolled hems, general purpose foot for basic straight stitching, and for quilting, the spring action quilting foot, 1/4-inch piecing foot, walking foot, and a seam guide. Not only can this machine stitch fast up to 1,500 stitches per minute, but it has a stitch length of up to 7 millimeters for sewing and basting. Just look at that. What a beautiful stitch. Don't like thready needles? The needle threader saves time and is so easy to use. I like these convenient features. You can set your needle to remain up or down when the machine stops by engaging the automatic needle up-down mechanism. When you're done with the row of stitches, simply touch the automatic thread cutter button and both the top and bobbin threads will be cut. Your threads will also be instantly reset and are ready to go again when you are. Are you using a thicker or thinner thread in your bobbin and need to adjust your tension? Simply turn this dial a little at a time until you've gotten your ideal tension. Conveniently placed and easy to use. The bright but gentle on the eyes LED light allows you to see what you're doing, even on dark fabrics. You can set the color-coordinated feed dog adjuster and the presser foot pressure dial, allowing you to sew with ease on all types of fabric, even special ones like velvet. Setting up the Brother exclusive pin feed mechanism on your PQ1500 SL allows you to feed multiple layers of fabric under the presser foot at once with precision. I can reach right in and access the bobbin through the side cover. The PQ1500 SL uses a metal bobbin both for durability and because it holds more thread. You wouldn't want a small bobbin on a machine that moves this fast now, would you? The location of this cover makes care and maintenance around the bobbin case a breeze. Once you have a knee lifter, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The removable knee lift enables you to lift your presser foot, leaving both hands free for maneuvering your fabric. You'll get both English and Spanish operation manuals in the box too. These great built-in features on the PQ1500 SL from Brother and the included accessories will have you off and sewing in no time.